Understand this, that as a person, you are already fighting the battle of your father's house and the battle of your mother's house. I'm sure you don't understand this. You are already fighting the battle of your father's house and the battle of your mother's house, because the spirit in your father's house is not the same spirit in your mother's house. The spirit in your mother's house can be the spirit of delay in childbearing, barrenness. The spirit in your father's house can be the spirit of poverty. No matter how people struggle, they will never prosper. Or the spirit allows people to rise, but it must strike them at a particular time where they will not rise again. Look at the battle in the house of Abraham. There was battle of barrenness. There was battle of people, firstborn, not always making it to their inheritance. Look at the battle. What battle is in your father's house? This morning, every demon, every battle that you have fought for a long time in your father's house, the battle comes to an end. Look at Abraham's house. There was barrenness. He suffered barrenness 25 years. The son Isaac's barrenness 20 years. The grandson Jacob married, the two wives had issue of barrenness. That was the spirit in the house. Look at where I started from Abraham. He lingered up to Isaac. From Isaac to Jacob, Esau. The thing continued again and again. One person. Now, if you go back, look at the kind of war they fight. The firstborn never gets their inheritance. Before the birth of Isaac, there was a man who was the original biological first son of Abraham. That was the person of Ishmael. Ishmael did not make it to the birthright and inheritance of the first son. Now, if you think it was a mistake, it was a fluke, it's not. Don't mistake a cycle for a mistake. Don't mistake a pattern for a mistake. Mistakes, if you make a mistake, you correct the mistake. What is mistake here? Mistake is, for example, you come from a family. Are you hearing what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Maybe your father's house, your mother's house, there is nothing like polygamy. There is nothing like a marriage breakup or something. Then you, as a person like Jacob, who made a mistake, you know, the wife he was to marry in his days of darkness, the Bible said they brought to him a woman that was not his own. That is Leah. You remember? And they presented the woman to him at night, because he was still in the days of night, not morning yet. And the Bible said that by the reason of the tradition, the face of the woman was veiled. And it came to pass, because it's their tradition that you don't get to see the face of the woman. They hand you over at night, and you don't open the face of the woman till morning. A very strong veil. So he thought it was the woman he ought to marry. The Bible said when it was done, he opened the face. He unveiled her and discovered that this is not the woman. When it was daybreak, that means when revelation and light and illumination have come. Some people actually married in darkness and make mistake and not patterns in their family. So, but when it's a pattern, it's, oh, your father's house, your mother, this is what they do. Your father's, are you getting what I'm saying? This is what they do. There are some family, anybody that marries, something goes wrong. So you must understand when to break a curse and when to correct a mistake. Curses are meant to be broken. Mistakes are meant to be corrected. You're not hearing me now.
I hear you, Papa.
So if you thought that what happened in the house of, I just showed you the difference between a mistake and a curse. Come on now. Come on now. You sure you are hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So it means that thing have no place, no foundation, no basis in your family, but you brought it upon your own self by operating in the days of your darkness and not knowing not waiting for the days of your light. Watch this. Anybody can make such mistake. The Bible said Jesus manifested and came into the scene. Now, by the help of God, the Bible said the Holy Ghost drove him back into the wilderness. You remember? The Bible said until his day of showing forth. So you can show forth before your own day of showing forth. Is a mistake. Even Jesus showed forth before the time where he was supposed to show forth. And the Holy Ghost drove him back into the wilderness. So that means if not, he would have miscalculated the timing and come into the time that is not his own and meet wrong people he is not supposed to meet because he came out when he was not supposed to come. He missed the timing. That's why the Bible said the sons of Issachar, they understand time and season. And that's why Jesus, the mother reminded him in John chapter 2. He said, why not make miracle happen? He said, mother, my time has not yet come. So you now understand better what time and season started.